me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think
Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video I will be teaching you guys or showing you guys how I make cayenne pepper oil for hair growth. Now I would start by saying that this was the very first oil I made when I decided to grow out my hair while I was still on my last hair. And I would really say I enjoyed it. I think it did help out a lot. So I'm trying out this oil again, and I'll be letting you guys know all the benefits that comes with this oil at the section, the what is it called again, description box. Yeah. So and this oil is pretty very easy to make. I think it's one of the fastest oils I've ever made, or hair oil. Yeah, because it just involves cayenne pepper and coconut oil or olive oil, whichever oil you want to use. So my coconut oil is in a plastic bottle because this is organic made. I didn't get it from a store or whatever. I got it from a local market, and they sell theirs in this bottle because they make it at home and process it and just carry it to the market. So if you've watched other of my videos where I produce some things at home and you've liked it, I wonder why you haven't hit the subscribe button yet. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a part of my little YouTube family. Now we went ahead to remove the head, the green parts, wash it and blend it. You can use any blender. You can even pound it if you want. Sorry. Or you can just cut it into pieces. Doesn't really matter. I just prefer to blend mine, but this is going to be soaked for a while, so whether you cut it this way and just leave it that way, or you pound it or you blend it, I think it's pretty much going to give us the same results.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've get from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Trying to make sense of those chains that me a war in my mind. And let go away, he was holding me to the right.
Now in a clean bowl, we'll transfer the blended pepper. I was about to say tomatoes. The blended pepper into a bowl. Use a clean bowl because this will be kept for a while, so you need something that is clean and dry. We don't want any water. I mean, the pepper already has enough liquid enough. We don't need anything that has water in it. It has to be a dry, clean bowl. You transfer all your pepper mixture, your blended pepper, into the bowl, and then pour the coconut oil into it. Now you have to keep this in a dark and away from sunlight basically for 3 days and above. I kept mine for a week, before the end result, but initially my plan was to keep it for 3 days, but I traveled and had to keep mine for 7 days, or was it even 8 days? But it has to be soaked for 3 days at least for it to infuse with the coconut oil. Now here we are 7 days later, or was it 8 days? I'm not really sure, but it was between 7 to 8 days, which is literally a week later. I would mention that I kept this under my bed, so you can keep it anywhere. The first time I did it, I kept it in my wardrobe. So we just need to sieve out the oil from the pepper, and please make sure not to try to press down. I did at first and had to receive a second time. So sieve out the oil from the pepper and transfer into a container of your choice. And once again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and be part of the family. Like I said, everything that you need to know about this particular cayenne pepper oil will be in the description box. See you guys next time.